Unit 9, Mixed Review, number 7. Which of the following best describes the x-coordinate in an ordered pair? Check all that apply. So we're looking for a description of the x-coordinate. Remember, our ordered pairs are done x, y, and so this right here is the x-coordinate. So let's see which of these describes that. So A says the first number in an ordered pair. Yes, it is the first number in an ordered pair. B, the horizontal line. It's not a line, so B is out. C, the second number. No, that would be the y, not the x. And D, the intersection of two lines on the coordinate grid. That doesn't sound like it at all. That would be the intersection of any. That'd be a point, I guess. E, the number in an ordered pair that determines the movement left or right. Well, since the first number tells us where to run, which is moving from the origin to the right, that means E sounds pretty good. F, the number in an ordered pair that determines the movement up or down. No, that would definitely be the y coordinate. So F is out. Correct answers, A and E.